Hello everybody, Maximilian here, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to unbox this 8kg package from Cnfans. So let's just get started, let's unbox this big boy and let's see what really is in the Cnfans package. Full chain, I love that. Beautiful crystals, I love this. Okay, so the package got shipped to me via the DPD. It was only like 130 US dollars to get shipped, but with coupons I paid only like 110 US dollars, so it was great. It's also been like 12 days to get arrived to me, so yeah, very quick to be honest. A lot of shoes to get unboxed, so let's start maybe with these ones. So what we are having here are the Salomons. So guys, as you can see, here is the box, and these ones are the XT6. The box looks great, not broken or anything. Let's take a look at them. So here's the first shoe, as you can tell. Yeah, looks just amazing, I love that. So starting off here on the inner side, here we have the X-Lab text with XT6 soft ground, and here on the back, as you can see, very well made. I love this shoe. On the side it also looks great, and here on the top we've got the Salomon logo. That says racing product. Yeah, honestly amazing shoe. It says made in Cambodia, and the size is 8.5 US, 42 2/3 of European. You've got such a thing. So let's wear them now, let's see how they fit. So folks, the black Salomons, they absolutely do look great as well. They're super comfortable, they're nice, I love them. You can't really just go wrong with the Salomons, to be honest. Continuing guys, here we have some Birkenstocks. In the past I also ordered a lot of Birkenstocks. I like the shoes, so let's take a look at them, let's see how they fit, how they look like. It does say soft footbed, and you've got all the materials used for the shoes. I like them. They are a little bit different than usual, but yeah, Birkenstocks, you can never go wrong with them. Materials are absolutely amazing, 100% leather everywhere. The other one also looks great. This one is the real metal, as you can see. This is how they look like on feet. Yeah, not bad, not too shabby to be honest with you. Okay, and continuing, let's also see the other Birkenstocks. I'm so interested in them, let's see how they look like. Okay, so yeah, this time these ones are normal, as you can see, the Birkenstocks in a regular size and regular patterns. They look nice, you can never go wrong with them. This one is metal, cold and touch. This one is also metal, cold and touch. And yeah, the materials are absolutely amazing on these, so yeah, Birkenstocks. And this is how they look like on the feet. As you can tell, they look nice and modern and stylish, to be honest with you. I like them. Alright people, and now continuing, here we also have some beautiful Adidas shoes, so let's just take a look at them. These ones are the Adidas Spezial in this beautiful pink color, and yeah, to be honest guys, I like them. The material quality is just superb, I love them. Pay attention to the details, like the glue here. There is no glue sticking out, there's no problem whatsoever with that. Everything is very well aligned, everything is very well made. So yeah, Adidas Spezial from the Poison seller. And these ones are made in Vietnam, and they are in a size 6.5 US. So yeah, this is how they look like on feet. Absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning. I love them. They're absolutely amazing, beautiful. And now guys, continuing here, I've got some rose, the Lego rose from the Cnfans. Let's take a look at this. It was super cheap, it was like below $1, so I just decided to get one. Yeah. That one is the build rose. For like less than $1, I can't really complain, it's just freaking amazing. We also have some spare parts in case something's lost, so... And now this time another pair of Salomons, let's take a look at them. As you can see, the box is a little bit more crooked, but it looks great. The XT6. This time in a white color, and the 42 2/3 European, let's see. Oh wow guys, and take a look at them, they look absolutely stunning. I love how the Salomon XT6 look like. They're just looking amazing, just take a look at the details and everything, the Salomon. This thing also looks great. And yeah, they're very stylish, they're very popular right now, especially in the northern countries. The sole is also very nice, very comfortable. And yeah, as you can see, these ones are made in Vietnam, size UK in half. I love the color, I love the sole, everything looks great. Let's also take a look at the other pair, let's see if they're consistent. So yes, again, the same design, the same thing. So folks, this is how the Salomons look like on my feet. They're absolutely great. Take a look at them. And here also I have ordered like 2 additional pairs of Air Forces. So yeah, here we have the 2 shoes, and here are also the additional 2 shoes as well. They're absolutely amazing. They were only like $18 and the quality is just absolutely fine. I love them. I have always just bought them from the seller and they're absolutely amazing, and as for the price, they're absolutely great. I saved the weight by just removing the box, so they're a little bit crooked, but nothing too bad. You can always just take some straighteners and just get them straightened up. Punch. Okay, and this time we're looking at the Air Forces, and as you can see, people, they're absolutely great as well. On feet they look nice, on feet they look absolutely fine, and once you just wear them, once you do a lot of steps, they will just recover its original position, so you don't have to worry about nothing. Quite interesting thing. And the last item we have here in the box is this North Face jacket. So yes guys, let's unbox this, let's see how this jacket looks like. I'm so excited. So this one is the North Face Nupsy 700, of course. And that comes with all the special and regular pockets and everything. This is how the labels look like. You've got yourself the hologram here and everything and all the stuff, so yeah, it's great looking. Here you also have the additional labels, responsible down standard and stuff. Take a look at this logo. Of course, the North Face logo looks like this. You also have, of course, yourself the YKK zipper, which is metal, cold and touch-up as well. And yes, the overall material and puffiness of this jacket is great. So guys, this is how the jacket looks on me. As you can tell, it looks absolutely great, absolutely nice. It's very puffy, it looks great, it looks nice, and yeah, to be honest, you can really just go wrong with that. I paid for this thing like $60 US, so it was fine. And yeah, all the links are in the description, along with the spreadsheets where you can get yourself some other shoes and other items. So people, that would be it as for today's video. As you can see, this haul turned out very well. We have purchased a lot of beautiful items, and if you want to have all of them, just simply take a look at the description. You have all the links down there. I absolutely love this rose, which was only for like 80 cents or whatever. These $18 Air Forces are absolutely amazing. Very comfortable Salomons, I love them as well. And the same story for every single item that is here on this bed right now. If you want to sign up to Cnfans, you have also the link down in the description. Check the things out. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!